Hello, guys, and welcome to today's trade recap. Hey, man, this is the first trade after the losing streak. Hopefully, we come back stronger, smarter, better at trading. And something I have noticed that this trade actually is this very similar to the last two trades. The same model, the same exact setup, and the same exact price action with the same exact pair. And the reason that today it worked on, but the last days it did not, is because that's it. That's the reality about trading. Not every day you got your setup approved. Some days price action just fuck around with your setup, but overall that's all what you need to do. You need to stick to your plan, stick to your rules, keep applying your models in the market, whether whether it's always have to make sense. If you lose, it does make sense. If you win, it does make sense. So just play kind of that shit. So I'm going to go now and explain everything on this trade, how I did, why I took it, and what went good, what went wrong, and everything. So without further ado, don't forget to smash up that like button, that subscribe button. Let's reach 160 subscribers by the end of the month. So let's get started. The first thing that I want to start with is actually the daily time frame, which is actually why I'm convinced about this bias. So firstly, we still trading in an overall downtrend. We still did not have a break of structure above these highs, and we took out the previous daily highs right here. We took out the previous daily highs. We still have hold on the 4-hour. We are looking bearish. We have this imbalance that needs to be filled, and it looks like we are doing that right now. We have this big imbalance, and besides of that, we still trading in a overall bearish order flow. Next thing, on the 1-hour, we have these lows, and these lows, these equal lows, and we still have more low resistance draws of liquidity, like this one, like this one, like this one. And on the 4-hour, we still have these lows that just in time got taken out right now, these lows. And before that, we had these highs on the 4-hour that got taken out on London session open with this big ass candle. That actually the reason behind the scandal is the tariffs news against the China. I guess USA just slapped up another 230 some ish tariffs on China goods, and that's it. So this is a data news candle. We took out these highs. We made the bearish SMT with USD JPY. We took out these highs, and these highs. And with that, I said, okay, if we close above this high, that means we are continuing on bullish order flow. If we close below that, that means on the bearish order flow. And with that, there is a 1-hour liquidity sweep, 4-hour liquidity sweep, scale down to the 15-minute. Like, this is my proper strategy. We had this 15-minute break of structure, and another time we created this fair value gap on the 15-minute. We retraced into it. We retraced into the equilibrium zone, and we had this, I guess, the 5-minute breaker block right here, the 5-minute breaker block. So we still have this imbalance, this breaker block, equilibrium, and invalidation of the bullish order flow with this 5-minute market structure shift. So after that, we got another break of structure. I didn't want to enter right here because price did not reverse into the fair value gap yet. Then I waited. Price reversed into the fair value gap. Still did not make a break of structure right here. Fucks on for a very long time right here, and then scale down to the 5-minute. I wanted the 1-minute break of structure at the end of the day. So once we get it, right here. Well, this candle close, entered right here. My stops were above this fair value gap, so I have space if price would like to go and sweep out these highs. I still have plenty of space to fill in more the fair value gap and took out these highs and then make the move. And I did it right. And after that, my take profit, my one and only take profit, was at these lows. I guess these are Asian session lows. Asian session lows right here, and previously equal lows. So that ended up playing perfectly. Yeah, I was a little bit concerned about this fair value gap, but at the end of the day I said it is not very sustainable to take this fair value gap as a perspective, because this is a high impact news, it is a news candle. It's a high impact news candle, and high impact news candle does not accord like the fair value gap inside of it does not being very accurate. So just ignore it, like, and that's it for the trade recap. This is a good trade, ended up playing perfectly. My setup was there, everything was there, the timing was there, my model is applied to the market. If I got stopped out on this trade, I would not have been cared, because the same exact trade that I lost yesterday was the exact same model. This 4-hour liquidity sweep, breakout structure, the fair value gap, the breaker block, the equilibrium, the breakout structure on the lower time frames, all of my confluences, all of my my strategy, everything lines up perfectly, and I executed perfectly. Very beautiful trade after a losing streak. This one is a pretty much 1 to 3 risk to reward, which is like this. I'm very sure that this is the 1 to 3 risk to reward, and it's still playing out in the same direction. If you could hold to these daily lows, I guess the previous daily lows, you could have made a 1 to 5 risk to reward. And once again, if you don't know any of the fuck that I'm talking about, the confluences, what the fuck is a fair value gap, what the fuck is a breaker block, what the fuck is equilibrium, what is your strategy, what the fuck is an S&T, you don't have no clue about trading, I have a trading book. It has full course. It has not a course, but it's here in front of me right now. I'm going to read for you the first the introduction, at least. Welcome to your journey of the world of trading. Whether you are just starting out or looking to refine your expertise, this book is designed to equip you with the knowledge, mindset, and strategies essentials for success in the financial markets. This book is going to literally change your knowledge about trading. I'm not saying this is going to turn you profitable, because the only thing that can turn you profitable is your work. If you work, you're going to be profitable. If you don't work, you will not be profitable at any fucking cost. So inside of this book, you will actually get the knowledge. You will know everything. From I'm going to read all of the chapters for you. So the chapter 1 is the complete basics about trading and the forex market. The chapter will give you the solid understanding of how the financial markets work. The chapter 2 is mastering the trader's mindset, the psychology of the success. We'll dive deep into the mental frameworks that separates winning traders from the rest. It's going to take a big step. I'm telling you, the psychology is very, 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 very accurate in this book. The chapter 3 is building a success strategy. It is the roadmap of consistency. This chapter will guide you through the essential steps to build a reliable and repeatable and profitable trading plan. This is my strategy. This is the chapter that I'm going to show you my strategy. And the 4 is unveiling the secrets. In this chapter, we'll explore the behind-the-scenes aspect of trading that can impact your success. All of the things that are not showable in the trading industry, you're going to find out on this chapter 4. And the chapter 5, finally, it is mastering the edge, the strategy, and the confluences. If you don't understand the strategy on the chapter 3, this is more super detailed and simplified part above the book. This chapter is where we step into the head of trading, the strategy, executions, and the confluences. I'm going to show you step by step how I find my strategy, how I find my entry, how I find my setup, how to apply it during to these different market conditions and everything. So if you are familiar with that, if you want to start a big step on your trading journey and actually gain the knowledge that you will need definitely for your trading career, you can apply for this trader's guide that I have created. It's called Mastering the Markets, a trader's guide. It is actually your blueprint to profitability. Master the markets with the precision and transform your passion into consistent success. This book is only created by me. I did not have anyone else to help me with. So if you are familiar with this, you want to check it out, link will be down below in the comment section, in the description. I'm sorry. And actually we'll get every information right there. So if you want to check that, definitely go and give it a try. It's not expensive at all. It has a very cheap price for its value. So definitely you can look for it up. And actually after every trade, I journal my trades with the Notion application, and I have created the template to help me define my to track my trades like a pro. No more like trades without any journaling, like without any information on your trades or without any data on your trades. So I have created the template on Notion. You can check that out. It's a professional Notion and it's very cheap. Anyone can buy that. I have no clue on why I did that price, but I just did it so you can access to it. I know I don't want to be selfish to hide the valuability of this template and I just want to help you guys for it. So all of these things will be down below in the comment section, in the description, and link of all my socials. If you wanna contact me on anything, link will be also down below in the description. So without that being said, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in this video. I hope the winning streak is come over, and that's it. Let's be 1% better every day. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.